Duol makeyo yedhe pachoka KEMSA oyango ni kaontis ma pachoka nigi gopgi maromo bilion 3.2 makoro mono gichwalo tijegi e yono makare. Magi ne oyangore kinde ma kamiti mar jood bura mochung'ne weche thieth timo limbe e kar kano yedhe ma Embakasi. Flora Tieno leronwa mathoth.
Jata chenro mar duol makeyo yedhe e pachoka Teri Ramadhani ne oyango ni gowi ma kaontis ni godo tok chwalo negi yedhe kod gige thieth osekudore mochopo bilion 3.2. Owacho ni KEMSA tiyo kanyakla gi riwruok mar governors eneno ni giyudo yore ma gowino inyalo chul e yo mapiyo.
We have 3.2 billion that is owed by counties at the moment. And we are working very closely with the COG and county governors to get this money recovered.
Kata kamano, kamiti mar jo od bura ma ochung'ne weche thieth kane otelne gi ja od bura maseme James Nyikal ne opoyo KEMSA kuom keto chenro manyasani makonyo tend counties kwayo yedhe kendo chwalo yedhe e yo mapiyo.
What we call the fill order rate has improved. That is when the counties ask for drugs, what proportion of their request is filled, is met, and they have improved that. The turnaround time, when the counties ask for drugs, how long does it take for the drugs to reach them from the time they request? That has been very long. Now that also has improved.
Kamano bende, Ramadhani owacho ni gisebedo gi ywarruok makagi kacha kaluwore gi jotije mane ochung tich ka osekelo negi rem mag jotije.
It is true that we have quite a number of areas that we need to work on, but we have come a long way from where this institution was, say, 2 years ago. Currently have about over 400 people working from the office, so we have good capacity. The people who are working from home are also coming in whenever there is need for people to boost up some operations.
Kamiti mar jo od bura mochung'ne weche thieth bende ne osingo ni gibiro tiyo kanyakla gi duol mar KEMSA eneno ni chenro mag thieth obedo kare e pachoka.
We as the health committee will go deeper into this and will find out areas where, with the support of the health committee, working together with the Minister of Health, and also working together with the health committee in the Senate, because the health committee in the Senate has more responsibility over the counties. So if we want to get into the issues of the county, we will have to work together with the health committee in the Senate.
Flora Tieno, Ramogi TV.